Alright, so today I'm showing you how to go about connecting your LED strips for your stairs motion sensor LED light. Okay, so actually we've installed our LED aluminum profiles. We've also done the wiring aspects. Let me take it around a bit. So we've done the wiring, all the wiring work is done. Actually, we are even done with some of them. As you can see, we are done with some. Actually, when I came to do this, it was a very busy or hectic day, so I couldn't get the opportunity to record a video, so that is why I'm doing this video now. Alright, so today I'm showing you how to connect the LED strip to your wire. Okay, so here we are working with a low voltage system, or we are working on a low voltage system. So we are dealing with direct current or DC. So we have our positive and negative here. I have a positive and negative on this one as well. Let me check it out. Okay, so I have this positive. This is my positive on this strip light. All right, so for direct current stuff, it's not like alternating current that when you switch hands, it will come on. Okay, so for example, when you are doing alternating current stuff, when you switch between that live and neutral, it will still work. But with this DC thing, direct current thing, when you switch your hands, that's polarity, that's the switching between the negative and the positive, it won't work, it will respond. So you check your polarities or polarity when you are working on this stuff. Alright, so I have my neutral, I have my negative. I'm used to neutral life, so you can understand me. Alright, so I'm done with the positive. I'm going ahead to connect the negative. Okay, so activate it for me. Let me see if it's gonna turn on. All right, it's working. Okay, so you can see it's working. Okay, so for some people, they will sew this themselves, but I don't have. I have the I have a sodium ion, but what I lack is correct lead to solder the my wires to it. So what I did is I take measurements and I send it to electronic shop. So electronic shop is where they repair TV sets, radio, and other electronic devices. So they have a solid soldering iron, and so I have to send it to. I have one man around Amasaman that I usually send my LED lights to. And so this let's say it's you can stick it. So actually that is when you are doing LED profile lights, most of the time you have to use LED strip or strip light that is stickable. Let me go ahead. So you also have your scissors. Bubble. You also have your scissors. I have my scissors here, and so. No, me pay me show you. That's how me buy. So I'm going to cut it. You cut it according to actually there are markings there. So even if you don't have an idea and you can read and interpret, because there's a scissors sign there, so that's it. You can easily read it and interpret it. So I'm done. I've stick my LED lights, strip lights into the LED aluminum profile. I'll go ahead and cover it, or probably I'll go ahead and do another thing. This is a junction box here for that's the controller, and also there's the power AC/DC transformer. So this can hold up to 400 watts. It's a 12 volt AC/DC adapter, and then the controller can take that 12 volts or 24 volts. So that's a very solid system there, 12 stroke 24 volts. So either transformer, if you have a 24 volt transformer, it's going to work fine, and if you have a 12 volt transformer, it's going to work fine as well. So this is the connection here. So we have a sensor port. We have ports A and B. So A will be for the upstairs, and then B sensor will be the one for the downstairs. And then we have on this controller, we have several cables here. And so this is where you connect that from the transformer, the DC from the transformer, that's positive and negative there. And then these cables, these several cables here are for the various stairs. So we have that 21 steps. And so we have all of them here. We have labeled all of them. That's 15 there. We have number 1 there, yeah, etc. So all of these sets of steps, all the positive and negative wires are here, and everything is connected. So we would like to activate it and see. Okay, activate it. Okay, so there is an activation, that's a light, red light there, and then the stairs are turning on step by step. You can see the red light step by step. It's step by step, step by step. And then it's going off. When it's going off, it's the same thing, it's step by step. It starts from 1 2 3, or wherever the motion sensor was activated. That is how it works. Actually, I didn't mention it. Okay, so the transformer, this is how it works. You have your live neutral earth here, so we have our power connection here or supply there, and then this side is the DC or direct current going to the controller here. There are other settings on it, but I'll do that later. I'll do those settings. That is how long you want the light to stay on when the motion sensor is activated, the style, the kind of style you want it to light up, and a whole lot of stuff there. I'm going to do those settings later on. It's off, so I'm trying to go there so that the sensor is right there, so I'm passing there, so it has activated. The motion sensor is activated. It's activated. It will stay on for a while before it goes off. Follows all the way up. So wherever you activate it, that is where it will start to light up, and at the same time it will start to turn off from that direction. So now I'm coming to the upstairs as well. I did it for the downstairs. I'm coming to the upstairs to activate its motion sensor as well, and see. You see, so the activation was done at the upstairs, so it started turning or lighting up from the upstairs to the downstairs, and then when it's time to turn off, it will start from the upstairs, then it will turn off one by one up to the last one downstairs. That's it. I've come to the downstairs again. Okay.